Check, 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 check. Going through the checklist here. Caution light test. Flight controls neutral, friction's on, don't need them. Fuel boost on and anti-collision lights on. There's 2 fuel pumps. Anti-collision lights. Collective down, throttle close. Rotors are clear. Timer start, and I'll do the rest looking forward. A little warm today. I'm starting on the ship's battery. Looking for 58% here. There it is, self-sustaining, got a good start. Oil pressure, transmission oil pressure, good. You get the generator on. Back down to idle. And start bringing up the avionics.
Weather advisory. Wind calm.
Control boost working. Now we'll spin it up. That looks great.
Good traffic, Skyhawk 04 Mike making left
the friction's off.
8 Griffin.
Get the hubs on and off we go. Make sure traffic is turned on here. See my route for later today already in there. I'm not taking that one right now. I'm going to go downtown. First time flying with the GoPro. I got wires all over the place. Tested the audio. Hopefully it's working in real life. Everything's all hooked up. I'm on, and off we go.
traffic, Cessna 2505 November will be departing runway 27 to the south, Bolt traffic.
And Bolt traffic, helicopter 452 crossing the runway midfield, be departing north.
Gator Yankee 30650, departing Gator Yankee.
And just like that, off we go. If I want to run as fast as I can, continuous speed, we get the torque at 85% here. Can do that all day. The gauges look good. Fuel quantity is good. Alright, I'm going to turn off now and pick it up when we get closer into downtown